Is your Spectrum cable box stuck on the Acquiring Application Information screen? This usually means the box is having trouble loading its software or connecting to Spectrum's servers. First, power cycle the box. Unplug it from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary glitches. While it's unplugged, make sure all the cables are secure. If the problem persists, try Spectrum's Smart Restart feature in their app or website to remotely reboot the box. This resolves the issue for most users. If a simple restart doesn't work, ensure your internet connection is stable, as the cable box needs it to download updates. You can also try manually updating the box. If you are still running into the issue, contact Spectrum support or use the Spectrum AI support, as they can remotely diagnose the issue and push firmware updates or identify account-specific problems like unpaid bills that might be causing the problem. In rare cases, the box itself might be faulty, especially if it's an older model, pre-2020. Consider upgrading to a newer box for optimal performance.